Hello everybody, this is Bucky and we're going to be giving you a little update on my global door closer. This time, I preloaded my closer. In the last video, I demonstrated it without preload. Well, I promised you guys I would demonstrate it with preload, so I finally got around to doing it. So here we go. And it latches well. Go outside, view it. Have to kind of pull it to latch it tight to kind of have to pull it though, because it does latch. It does latch, but latches well. Do that again. You may comment on the video if you think it needs any adjusting. I've been trying to make my closer like 90BAZ's closers were in his videos where they were smooth, but I can't seem to do that. One more time. Whoa. That fart. My door closer makes farting noises now. And I think it hisses too. Oh, did you hear that? I am barely pressing the door. See, listen. It hisses when I barely push against it. So one more time, then that will be it. So anyways, that will be it.